Hi everybody, welcome to Live Blogger. In this tutorial series, we're going to see how to design this website from scratch using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Now this is just an introduction video, so I'll show you how this website looks. So here we have this nav bar at the top, and we have this button with this hover effect. And here we have this hero section. And if you scroll down, we have this about section. And then if you scroll down, we have the collaborations section where we have the logos of some of these brands over here. Then we have the next section where we have the latest releases. It is basically a thumbnail and some text. You can add any content you want over here. And then we have another section for live performances. And then we have explore section where we have these two different buttons which we can link to any place we want. And then we have this footer where we have the address, the email ID and the phone number. So this is what this website looks like, and this is also responsive. So if you decrease the width of the browser window, this is how it will look on smaller screens. Here we can see that instead of the menu items, we have this menu icon, and if I click on that, we have these menus displayed over here. And then we have all these sections displayed in a mobile friendly way. So in this tutorial series, we're going to see how to design this website from scratch using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So this was just an introduction. From the next video, we will start creating this website. So that's it for this video. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comments below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to this channel to get the latest video updates. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice day.